Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have an ultrasonic cleaner, which comes in this little box, which we will open up right away. And don't hesitate to make the video extra long. We will just look at the machine itself, the cleaner, and put it into work and see how it actually performs. And as you can tell, it comes packed quite nicely. It's all covered and taken care of, so it's not getting damaged while it's on the way to your house or your apartment. There's your power outlet, and this is this sonic cleaner basically. And as you can tell, there's a little LCD display which has only like 4 symbols, so it's pretty easy to use and to handle probably, but we will see that in a second. There's a power button on top, and that's about it. It's on anti-slippery feet, which is always good to have. That's the machine itself. Now we have some cleaning lotion in here and some water, and I would say we will throw in some items. I did choose my ring here, and we will just throw them in here, and then we will shut the whole thing, turn it on, and as you can see there's glass mode, glasses, and we choose the ring mode or jewelry mode because we want to clean those, and then we wait and see what happens. As you can tell, we did speed up the time. The water is moving quite fast, as you can tell, so you don't have to wait the whole time, which is about probably 3 to 4 minutes. That's probably what it took to be done, but we just speed that up so we would not have to wait all the way. So then afterwards you open this up, remove them, and look at them and decide if you think that they look good. I think it's pretty good, and if you're not satisfied you can throw them in again and make it clean them again, but for my opinion it works. As you can tell, the roof, the dust, were covered inside as well, so that's good, and I'm quite satisfied.